extension zips. Okay, go to Visual Code and open the current file. Find zips ZI piece. Okay, remove this extension. Remove semicolon. Composer install in error. Required extended GD. This is the answer by ChatGPT. Solution to emball on Mac, on Linux, this is on XAMPP. So to find the on CMD to grids, but the grid is not recognized. Okay, to configure it on Windows to use CMD. Okay, this is the solution by ChatGPT to find the XAMPP or the PHP that locates in XAMPP. Okay, this is emball. But when a composer install again, it's still errors to require extended GD. Composer install again. Okay, errors, still errors. To use to on Windows I install XAMPP. Okay, to find locate XAMPP. Okay, to find PHP folder. Okay, this is PHP folder. To find PHP index php.ini. Okay, this one. So I copy it to backup to restore it when it's errors. Okay, open with Visual Code. Find extension. Okay, GD, Control C, Control S, Control V, search. Okay, cells. To remove the semicolon, it is to uncomment it. Okay, close. Composer, zips. Composer install. Now it's required error or required extension zips. Okay. So we do again like previous to emball. Okay, zips, extension zips. Okay, go to Visual Code and open the current file. Find zips ZI piece. Okay, remove this extension. Remove semicolon. Save and composer install. Okay, now it works. Thank you. Bye bye.